Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video lecture we will talk about inflammation, that too acute inflammation. We know there are two kind of inflammation. One is acute and other one is chronic. And we'll talk the differences in this video lecture. So let's talk about the inflammation first. Whenever you see the word itis in the end, whatever itis it is, vasculitis or any itis it is, vasculitis means vascular inflammation, or if itis word is present, that means we are talking about inflammation. So what are the signs of inflammation? What are the things that are seen in the inflammation? There are 5 signs, but first 4 signs were given by the scientist that is known as Celsus. Celsus gave 4 cardinal signs of inflammation, that is rubor, tuber, dolor, calor. And what are these things? Rubor, R for rubor and R for redness. So whenever there is inflammation, you will find that area redness. Then there is calor. Calor means increase in the temperature. Then it is dolor. Dolor means increase in the pain sensation. So whenever you see any abscess, cellulitis, see cellulitis word again ends with itis, so that means inflammation. So in that particular area, there is going to be, if you touch it, increase in the temperature. The area is going to be hot. And also you will find the pain associated with that particular area, and that is the sign of inflammation. Tumor means swelling is present. And when I say the word cellulitis, it is associated with swelling. It is associated with pain. So that is the sign of inflammation. So what is the 5th sign? This 5th cardinal sign was given by Sir Rudolf Virchow, and we have studied Virchow in a lot of things. So the 5th cardinal sign is functio lisa. That means loss of function. Suppose if a person is having cellulitis in arm, so in that case, he'll not be able to function with that arm. So that is loss of function. Since there is association of pain, temperature, redness, basically the pain part, that immobilizes the person, that will cause this functio lisa, that is loss of function, because the person is in so much pain, and that is the reason the person is not able to work with that particular area properly. So that is loss of function, we can say.